If men ever badmouth you, they automatically look insecure. There's been numerous times where I've seen, oftentimes like a group of men will be with a group of women and they'll badmouth a specific guy, and then all of the women will start to put their attention on that guy that they badmouth and start to wonder about him and instantly want him. Because any reputation is better than no reputation at all. So having lots of people who know of you proves once again that you do something. How do you acquire social proof? By doing something.